This is William Herring, and as you can see behind me, we're working on this church here. We're installing some cameras, some audio video cameras that they can watch live in the sanctuary through Facebook or YouTube. We're also installing security cameras around the building so they can view them remotely. Alright, now we're going to take a small tour of the church and show you the installation setup. We mounted the camera on the ceiling, and this is where it shows the choir and the pastor. Pretty nice shot. And you'll see it in the fellowship hall. We come from here, and this is the fellowship hall. We got a TV mounted there, and that's where the image shows to the other members that are in the fellowship hall. Now we're walking back on the other side. I'm just going to show you the brains of the operation. We're using the software Movie Maker. This is the Shure device, which captures the audio. This is where the cables are routing from the wall, from the ceiling to the router. And that's how the signal gets out. And here is the results, the end results. We just pushed the video here.
Now we're testing.
Check out www.herringtechnologies.net.